Welcome back, Think Different fam. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your strength training routine, Dumbbell Russian Swings. If you're looking to level up your fitness journey, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the mechanics, benefits, and variations of Dumbbell Russian Swings, offering you a comprehensive guide to enhance your strength training.
Understanding the basics. First things first, let's dissect the fundamentals of Dumbbell Russian Swings. These dynamic exercises engage various muscle groups, including your glutes, core, and shoulders. Perfecting your form is crucial to maximizing the effectiveness and preventing injuries. We'll walk you through the process, ensuring you've got the foundations down pat. So, grab your dumbbells, and let's get started on sculpting that powerhouse physique. Benefits of Dumbbell Russian Swings. Why should you incorporate Dumbbell Russian Swings into your routine? Well, buckle up for a revelation. These exercises aren't just about aesthetics, they're a one-way ticket to a stronger, more resilient body. From enhancing explosive power to torching calories with a high-intensity interval twist, we'll explore the myriad benefits that make Dumbbell Russian Swings a must-have in your fitness arsenal. Variations for every fitness level. At Zero Fat TV, Think Different, we believe fitness should be accessible to everyone. That's why we're bringing you Dumbbell Russian Swing variations suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner eager to kickstart your journey or a seasoned pro seeking a challenge, we've got modifications and intensifications to meet your needs. Stay tuned as we guide you through a repertoire of exercises designed to cater to diverse fitness goals. There you have it, Think Different Enthusiasts, a comprehensive guide to elevate your strength training game with Dumbbell Russian Swings. Remember, consistency is key, so integrate these exercises into your routine and watch your strength and endurance soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Think Different fitness content, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, keep thinking different and keep pushing those boundaries.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Zero Fat TV. Shine like the stars, Rich Hamilton.